So welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today for you I have this really fun festival vibe nail art look, and it is done by color blocking and adding some cheetah print. So let's take a look at how I created this look. First off, you want to start by painting your nails every other color. So pick out 2 colors that you want and alternate on your nails. You could even do up to 3 if you want. Just pick some fun colors. Now, after that is dried, I am taking a really fine striping nail art brush, and I am putting in some black lines, as you guys can see, about a quarter of the way down. And after I have that, I'm going to go in with a cream polish. You could use white here and fill in the bottom half of my nail. You do not have to worry about this being perfect. Don't worry about it if you touch the black line, or we're going to clean it up later. Not a big deal. So once you have that done, you just want to make sure that you can't see through to the color anymore. So if you do, once it's dry, just apply a second coat to get full coverage. On this one, I had full coverage in the first coat. Now next up, I am going in with a golden polish. This time I did use a polish and dotted in little blobs, because they're definitely not precise dots. These are what we're going to turn into cheetah print. So you can just dot them in however you like. And again, I use gold polish. You could use gold acrylic paint, or you could use a colored polish. Maybe you want to flip-flop the colors and make it extra fun. So after you have the golden dots done, you're going to go in with some black, either nail polish or black acrylic paint, whichever you prefer. And I'm just going to clean up the line at the top of the divide, which is creating your color blocking look. And for this, I'm using a shorter nail art striping brush. You just want something a little thicker than your striping brush to give a thicker line and more precision. After that, you're going to go in and just kind of create commas around the golden spots to start to create your cheetah. As you can see, you can do it up to 3 times around it to give it a printy cheetah feel. Or you can just do it once on one side and be done. After you are done with that, you want to go in and put little clusters of thick dots, and you also want to kind of just put in parenthesis lines. They're parentheses. They're not just lines. You know what I mean. And kind of group them together so it's in another additional spot to kind of just complete the look and fill in the gaps to create the full feel of a cheetah-like, leopard-like print to complete the look. How many times have I said that? Complete the look? Apparently I'm repeating myself today. And once you're done with that, you are just going to apply your favorite top coat. You could use shiny or matte. Both are going to be super fun for this manicure. And that is it. And here's your final look at this manicure. I personally really enjoyed it. I feel like it is super fun, and there's so many color combinations you could do with it to make it super fun to go with a festival-like outfit, kind of that boho chic vibe. And again, I just really enjoyed it and all the fun colors. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like nail art tutorials. And if you want to see more videos like this, along the lines of other nail art videos as well, and swatches and beauty stuff, be sure to subscribe for all of that. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye!